leaking faucet. And it's only on this side. Oh, we have to replace this one. Let me turn on the faucet. There's no leak in here. It's really just the top one. Let's go ahead and replace this. Of course, we'll have to turn off the water supply. I don't think it moves, so let's use two hands. It's gonna be hard. I'm lying down, literally. Wow, this is harder than I thought. It's not threaded. Push again. There, and then pull. Oh, push. Just remove and work on the top. I mean from the top. I'm gonna remove this. We'll see. I'm gonna remove it. It's hard. Unscrew. Okay, there you go. Let's see if we can remove it. So I'm removing this, so I will have access to the Collet connection. It's so hard. Finally, now I can pull. I'm gonna put tape in here and then tape on this one. There. Okay, so I know that it's tape to tape. I don't get confused. Let's remove this. All this trouble just to replace the hose because of that Collet connection. Collet! It's Collet. There you go. I'm gonna put it back overnight because last time I flooded my other area because I left it like that, because water will still come out there dripping. This is what's holding it. If we can squeeze in. Oh yes, we can. Oh, we can. Can we do it? Yes. Let's see if we can squeeze this farther. Oh yeah, we can. Here. Okay. Woo! Good. Now I can pull it from the top. Now let's remove it. There. Okay. There, the Collet connection. Then hold the white and push. And push. Oh man! Now let's hold it and pull. Push. I already bought Collet replacement. Collet, whatever you call it. Wow, whoever invented this connector is amazing. Amazingly. S. Push it with. Okay. No, I'm not. This is not clamped into there, into here. I'm just gonna use it because my hands are so. It hurts already, so I'm just gonna push the white thing. There. Okay, finally. There, I can see it's being pulled now. Yes, yes. See that? There. There. Looks like I just need something to have to hold it into onto. There. Yes! Woo! Finally! Oh my goodness. So it's really just a plastic one that holds this. Horrible invention. So the pull down replacement hose finally arrived. Yeah, I bought this from Amazon. I'm not sure if mine is still covered for warranty, but this is just about 35 bucks. I also ordered the Collet connection. Let me see if I can remove this. Oh, I can remove. This is how it looks. Because this doesn't fit in here. See that? It has to be this. There you go. Big one slot for this. There. Now I can put this back. Just need to push it. Now I can't rotate it anymore. That's it. Now we will work under the sink to put this through here, because this has to go. Put this in, and this, and that's it. Because this one will go around it. Let's take it for now. Yeah. Let's put this weight there. Let's put this now. For now, I leave the tape. Let's see if I can remove. Oh yes, I can. Okay. We have this collet. This is the old one, the new one, and they have the O-ring washer. I'm trying to figure out if this will go in here first, followed by this one gets in here, so it goes like that, or will this go in here like this. The thing is, if I already push this, this is not gonna fit in if I put it so that I can put it here. So can I put this here? I can't. It's, yeah, I think it would go in here. Let's do it. Yeah, now it's good. I cannot pull this out. I don't think the rubber washer is needed here, nor inside. It's for something else. Now that we have this, yep, it's not that easy. Okay, finally. Now we have it. Oh man, I'm wrong. I have to put this inside. Okay, let's pull it out again. I just want to put it there, inside here. It has to be. What am I thinking? Here we go again. Get in there, get in there. It has to be this way. Yep, there you go. I have a marker of tape, but I forgot which one goes to which way, to hot or cold. Doesn't matter. Now, putting it back. It's dry. The only thing I switch is the cold and hot, but from the faucet design it doesn't really matter. It's more of a preference. Now this one, let's put this. This is another, well, challenge. I had this challenge before. Nothing more difficult than the Collet. Now this next challenge goes in there. Yes! Those of you folks trying to do it yourself, it's rewarding when it works. It's annoying when there's so much pain involved. Yeah, I got some help here. Can you please hold the upper to keep it that aligned? This one is really just to hold it. See what I've learned today? It's Collet's proprietary, I don't know if it's proprietary, Collet connection. I've been doing with a quick connect. That's the easiest, but is it the tightest? I don't know. Maybe Collet is the tightest because it's the hardest to move. Is the threaded better? Maybe. Okay. Thank you. There. The finished product of my hard labor. So do we see a leak here? No leak. But I remove all those just to get through the collet connection. I use this as for my video. So let's test it.